Good morning, everyone. Today I will do answering about Fred Butler and Violet. So the first question is, how would you characterize Fred Butler as a manager of the restaurant? Fred Butler can be characterized as an effective and an unprofessional manager because he lacks important interpersonal skills needed in the workplace. The first characteristic is poor verbal communication. He screams at employees instead of speaking calmly and clearly. The next one is negative nonverbal communication. He often prone and gives angry stare, which create fear and tension in the workplace. The third one is ineffective listening skills. He does not properly listen to employees, causing misunderstanding and weekly store crisis. The fourth one is weak problem solving and decision making skills. He panics during difficulty situation and cannot be handled problem effectively. And and the next one is lack of negotiation and assertiveness skills. He cannot properly discuss or resolve conflict with employees and customers. Uh, the next characteristic is a poor leadership. Because of his behavior and lack of communication skills, he was terminated after only 1 month. And for the next question is, how would you compare Fred and Violet? Fred and Violet are complete opposite when it comes to management and entrepreneurial skills. This is the instances. Number one is Fred uses negative communication while Violet communicate clearly and positively. The second, Fred scares employees by shouting and showing anger, while Violet gains respect because she smiles and explains things politely. The third one is Fred does not listen effectively and causes problem in the store, while Violet listen carefully, discuss situation, and help solve problems. The third one is Fred panics during crisis, while Violet remains calm and handles situation personally. For the last is employees dislike Fred management styles, while Violet is prepared and respected by the all employees because of her positive attitude and leadership skills. That's all for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you, everyone.